mabilisang house tour with your dependable broker, Broker Nick, dito sa ating Carnation model na available in Cavite or Batangas area. Carnation model has a minimum lot size of 100 square meters and a floor area of 66 square meters. Meron po itong provision for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and meron pang 2-car garage na kasama. So this is your 2-car garage. Ayan, kasya-kasya po ang dalawang SUV. Exterior po, meron pa mga deco stones. Wala ka na pong ipapagawa at single attach. Going po sa loob. Ang turnover deliverables po ni Carnation ay bare. So meaning wala pong floor tiles, wala po tayong wall paint, walang partition sa taas at walang ceiling. Pero the good thing is, masusunod po ninyo kung ano man po ang interior design na preference nyo. So this is your toilet and bath number 1. Complete bathroom accessories. This is your kitchen. And going here, meron po tayong 2-meter setback sa likod for your service area. This is your stairs, strategically designed for space-saving purposes. So as I've said, wala pong partition and wala ring ceiling. Pero just using your imagination, this space is sufficient enough for 3 bedrooms. Okay? So Pag-ibig Financing, very affordable. If you'd like to know more, you can contact me through the details na nasa baba. So thank you for watching.